Well, in order to recover our device, we are not going to use the PC in this video tutorial. We are going to use a method completely without a PC, so what are we going to do? Well, we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step to be able to solve what is the problem of deleting the account on these devices. As we can see, our device has a screen lock. Previously we changed that lock and introduced a new lock, and suddenly I forgot what the password was. For that I am going to make this video tutorial for those people who also go through this same process can recover it, and as we had told you, we are not going to use the PC for those people who suddenly want to do it by PC. We are going to leave a video tutorial in the description of the video and in the fixed comment. What are we going to do? Well, we are going to press what is the power button. We are going to hold it, then we are going to turn it off. After it is completely off, we are going to count 10 seconds. We are going to wait 10 seconds until it is completely off. It will vibrate, then we wait that time, then we are going to press the power button. Button volume down at the same time. Sorry, power button, volume up button at the same time, when the logo appears. We release the power button holding the volume up button. As we said, power button, volume up button, then you will see what this secret menu is. Now what are you going to do? You are going to go where it says wipe data with power select and where, and you are going to select where it says all data, go down with volume down and select with power. Then go down with volume down again. Select with power so that our device can be reset. Now when our phone is completely reset, we are going to select the first option several times. That the first option, we go all with the power button. All until our phone restarts. When our phone restarts, what we are going to do is be able to configure it and use it normally. We are going to explain how to do it. We are going to pause the video tutorial while the device starts. Well, now what we are going to do is be able to configure our device. But what we are going to see is the following. And if your device has this lock that appears at the top, and it is because it has the Google account. But for that we are going to leave you a method totally without a PC in the description of the video or in the pinned comment.